service station signs. Oh my goodness. Holy wow. All kind of old signs. Old prices and little signs. Driving down the road, I happened to notice there's this yard with all these amazing, well, looks like art cars. Oh, the sun's right behind them, but holy cow. Oh man, that thing there looks like a ton of fun. Look at that. It's like it's got a bunch of seats on the back that spin around like a merry-go-round, but it's on a bike. And then I got something in front pedals it. Dang, I don't know what's in the water here in Mexico, but I want to drink some. And then look at that thing, and that thing, and that, you can't really see from these angles, there's a giant, like a dinosaur skeleton mounted on top of a car. Oh, yeah. Holy cannoli, what was I just saying about a bunch of artists taking over Barstow? Whoever lives there is probably like, shut up, don't tell anyone. Okay, before I leave, there's one more interesting thing about Barstow, and that is, it has a drive-in movie theater. That's right, you don't see very many of these anymore, but Barstow, I think, has a two-screen, yeah, there's two screens, a two-screen drive-in movie theater, open 7 nights a week. Now, that's something you just don't see very often anymore. Oh yeah, because they didn't even have the logo on their cups. Well, I went ahead and did it for them. Barstow Del Taco, I love you. And Barstow, I love you. I'm not even kidding. Man, when I set out to make this video, I thought, okay, I'll go for it. Grumpy desert town, you know, have a few laughs. Wrong! This place was 1,000 times more interesting than I expected. And if anyone from the Barstow Chamber of Commerce is watching, holla at me. I'd love to come back, stay a few days, go to all the museums, maybe dine at the finest restaurants, really get an experience. Oh yeah, have some drinks at the wildest honky tonk too. Really get an experience of what it's like living in Barstow. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour. And at the end of it all, well, what do you think? Do you think Barstow would benefit from having that giant cannabis hall? Just gonna make everything worse. I can't decide. I might have to come back and sample the cannabis to make up my mind. I'll be back.
Now you can save on Cox Internet when you add Cox Mobile, which means fiber-powered internet at home and unbeatable 5G reliability on the go. Do more without spending more. Get Cox Internet for just $35 a month with
Wonder us here, hanging out in a place called Reefer City. And no, it's actually not that kind of reefer, but I have that song stuck in my head now. No, this is actually called Reefer City because I guess back in the 1930s, there was a big gold mountain back there behind me, and this South African mining company bought it and decided to build a camp to house the workers that they plan to hire to dig all that sweet gold out of the mountain for them. And so